Now let's see how accurate I was. Let's look at what hole. Okay. Now, let's see how accurate I am. You guys, this is a really beautiful park. Gosh. Let me let you get some first. It's beautiful. Now, where did I land? You guys, I'm cold. This is what you call, see, I'm about 4 feet away from the basket. Birdie! I still got it, you guys. Atlanta, Georgia is sweet as a peach. And I am out. I just wanted to play a few holes, you guys. Signing off. Perkenson Park. It has been a pleasure. Let me get a little more over here with they got, this is a really, I love the hills. I love rolling hills. And we rolling, yeah. Anyhow, got a little park up and through there. You guys probably can't see it, but yeah. Anyway, signing out. Peace.